Unlike conventional lighting technologies, incandescent lamps and fluorescent tubes, LEDs are still being improved drastically year by year. Their performance is increasing, their characteristics, the quality of white light is improving, and cost is decreasing. So I believe that's really the light source of the future. Yeah, currently LEDs, they are mainly used in backlighting in mobile phones, televisions, and so on, and also quite heavily in general lighting applications, where they have really broken through in the last decade or so. Like most of new buildings use LED-based lighting, most of new retrofit lamps are based on LEDs, and they are gradually replacing incandescent and fluorescent tube lighting. In addition to general lighting applications, LEDs have also several other promising application areas. As they are small and portable, they can be connected with battery and solar power, so they enable lighting in remote areas that are inaccessible by the electric grid. Also, they enable new water purification methods, as LEDs can be tuned, or the light that LEDs emit can be tuned to ultraviolet wavelength range, which can be used to sterilize surfaces, disinfect, and kill bacteria, especially in hospital environments. The availability of off-grid lighting and the future water purification possibilities can really enhance the quality of life in people living in third world countries in remote areas and have a huge effect in the life of communities there.
In investment management, I believe there will be numerous opportunities for machines and humans to work together because by nature we are complementary. Machines have certain advantages. They are very good in handling vast amounts of data at the same time, simultaneously. They're very good in pattern recognition, and they also eliminate biases very well. Whereas we humans were very good in imagination, creativity, generalizations, and common sense, and also judgment. Big data is becoming increasingly important for FIM, and that's just because the amount of data has exploded, and we as humans are just not capable of handling and processing thousands or even millions of data points simultaneously. So what we can do is that we can use internal company information such as conversations and CRM, but technology is allowing us also to draw data from other public sources such as blogs, social media and transactional data, and we can tailor-make products specifically for our different customer segments. So investment management firms are increasingly using robo-advisors. And in robo-advisors, the computer itself recommends assets, stocks or funds to individual clients based on their investment targets, their investment horizon, interest and perhaps past behavior. For example, robo-advisor can be very helpful if there's a stock in your portfolio which drops significantly during the day. The robo-advisor can prompt you immediately and ask you if you want to react to this event or not. I think that in the future, all of us in different industry segments will have an artificial intelligent agent in our pocket. So the way we have mobile phones today, whether it is incorporated in the mobile phone or in some other device, I believe that we will all utilize them and interact with our intelligent assistants.
We certainly feel that through directed evolution, new bacterial species with the potential to be used in biomining can be identified, or existing bacteria can be improved to improve the overall efficiency of the process, as well as its resistance to certain toxins found in biomining ores. The bioleaching process uses naturally occurring bacteria to assist in this oxidation process. The process itself is energy efficient, and it also does not release any harmful gases or other elements into the environment. So all the products of bioleaching is safe and benign and can be deposited onto a conventional tailings storage facility. The Box process has been in operation for over 30 years. And in this time we have seen how the bacteria are able to adapt to the conditions in a commercial bioxidation tank. So we know the bacteria can evolve over time. However, this is a fairly slow process, and I think directed evolution offers an alternative mechanism to speed up this process and to realize some of the potential benefits in a shorter time frame. However, I think more work needs to be done to ensure that the result can survive the conditions found on a commercial plant.
We see a lot of applications for enzymes and biotechnology. Enzymes can be used to break down cellulose to sugars, which can be then converted to ethanol or, for example, biochemicals. And at Neste we have applied this in microbial oil process we developed, where agricultural residues are converted into renewable diesel or jet fuel feedstocks. Another example of using bioprocesses for fuels is algae oil, and we have been researching algae oils as raw materials for renewable fuels. We see a lot of interesting advances in renewable chemical production using bioprocesses, and we see a lot of potential in this. Francis Arnold's innovation and legacy in directed evolution is the basis and foundation of industrial biotechnology and the enzyme and microorganism development that's needed. So bioprocesses are selective. They don't produce toxic side products, and by being selective, the processes are often simpler than the corresponding fossil alternatives. Bioprocesses occur in mild conditions, and this offers then safer processes and energy efficiency. Bioprocesses are often profitable in smaller scale, so this also enables more local production.
We see biotechnology as a very important platform for performing renewable fuels and renewable chemicals in the future. We also believe that biotechnology will grow in importance with time, and we are continuously looking for partners to cooperate with in the field.